Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we've got a quick box opening of the Aragon 4th of July mystery box. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing my Boulder Explorer GMT 2. I have beat the crap out of this watch and it still looks great. This honestly might be the best watchgang watch ever, at least at the black tier level. Just because I've had it for so long and it's taken so much abuse. All right, guys. Also, if you're looking to save some money, I've got discount codes and promo codes in the notes for this. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe so you follow along, hit the bell, get the notifications. And guys, I know some of you haven't seen it or maybe have. Check out the most recent video. I did a time-lapse build of the Lego Transformer for Bumblebee. Something I had talked about, adding more stuff to the channel. Honestly, when I did the Watchin live and I did 4 box openings, a lot of people were asking about the cars in the background and wanted to see more of the cars. So you're probably going to start seeing a few more cars on the channel, but as always, there's going to be a ton of watches. So what I know about the Aragon mystery box, it has a Seiko NH34 movement. It is 44 millimeters and 15 millimeters thick. Has 200 meter water resistance, and there was, I think, 6 different color options for the dial and band combination. Now, one of them only had 50, which was a pink color for the dial. Would have been cool to get one of those. Unfortunately, they were sold out really quick. Now, the cool thing about the Aragon mystery boxes is they're generally very reasonably priced, and you're getting a watch well above what you paid. This mystery box was $88, and I'm pretty excited to see what it actually looks like, because I have no idea. Other than I picked the teal dial. Now I am kind of worried about the thickness on this one because it is 15 millimeters thick. But man, I am digging the overall look of this one so far. Let me get the plastics off. Oops. Now I am not actually sure what the model number is or if there was one on any of the boxes. So let's see what it says on the back here. So we have Aragon wing engineered NH34 24 joules Japanese movement, water resistant 200 meters, stainless steel, K1 AAA. Huh. Yeah, I'm not sure what the model is, but I am digging the look. Let me pull off my Boulder right now, throw this on wrist, and see what it looks like. Like I said, unfortunately, oops, it is a larger watch, and that's the thing. If you're into Aragon, or if you're into large watches, you might want to check out Aragon. I don't think it looks too crazy on my wrist. It's kind of at my limit. This is a very nice silicone strap. We got Aragon on the buckle. I'm digging it. Very deep dial, deep look to the actual face on this one. So I think it's pretty cool, and I'm digging that color. It's not a color that I have currently. I'm gonna have to do some more research on this one. I really like it so far. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.